Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an Oppo Find X2 Pro with a broken display, and David is starting the repair. So let's go. So an Oppo Find X2 is quite interesting. A Chinese smartphone, quite mid-range, and you can see that the back cover is glass, so we'll have to be very careful in removing it. In terms of value, Oppo offers more value, of course. It's quite inexpensive compared to your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And in terms of specs, you can get a lot for your money. That's why I like Oppo. And that's a personal preference, so if you don't like it, yeah, to each their own. We'll remove the screws on the bottom part. We'll focus our attention on this part mainly because this is where we can find the connector for the display. So in the right corner, right there, near the SIM card tray, is the connector for the display. So we'll remove this, and then you can see the connector is hidden right there. There you go. So we'll reattach our replacement display connector and turn this on. There you go. So the smartphone has been on the whole time, and you can see that the replacement display is all good. So we'll shut this phone down now. It's still initializing, so it's quite confused. We'll remove it, put it to the side, and we remove the front display. Front display will be removed the same way that we removed the back cover. We'll pry it off and spray some IPA on the gaps and slice with adhesive. And it's quite easy. There you go. We'll still take our time. So everything is clear now. The connector is already pulled out through the slot on the corner there. And just one corner. Spray some alcohol. Agitate the adhesive. And I think we have a successful extraction of the old display. Pretty heavy adhesive, pretty strong. There you go. So we'll prep the surfaces where the replacement display will make contact with the housing. So we still have glue residue all around the smartphone, so we'll clean that out. Scrape it. There you go. There's some dust on the speaker grill, and also some remnants of the old display. Some shards of glass were also left on the corners, especially. There you go. We'll clean this up. David is very particular in prep work, so you can be assured that if you go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre, you will have the same treatment. You'll have the same effect on your repair requests. So we offer repairs for Oppo, Samsung Galaxy smartphones, Asus ROG phones, iPhones, smartwatches, and you can see the catalog of smart devices that we've repaired over the years. And yeah, if you want to DIY this, you can certainly do so. It's quite simple. You just remove the motherboard, no need to remove the battery. It's quite easy, but if you don't want the hassle of buying replacement parts, installing it on your own, and having the anxiety that you might break the replacement glass that you ordered. Then you can just go to your local service technician, help them out, support them, or you can visit CBD Repair Centre and support David on our mission in this shop, which is to repair smartphones to save you money, save your data, and of course save the environment, because we're not throwing things away, we're just fixing it, removing faulty components, and that's what we recycle. Just like this one, if you just throw it into the bin, you're wasting money because the mainboard is still okay, the battery is still okay, and you might risk exposing your data because someone might fix the smartphone and you still have your data in it. So yeah, there's a lot of pros in fixing smartphones. Cons, not really. You'll have an older phone, but it's still pretty good in 2025. So Oppo Find X2 Pro will live on for a year or two, even 3 if its fate dictate that it will live a long time. And look at that. And it looks like a brand new phone again. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope it inspired you to fix your own broken smartphone, and like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.